Hello, hello. Now I am audible. Hopefully now there is not much delay. Yeah, now it's fixed. The delay was too much in the previous stream, so I had to close that and start this new stream. Okay, let's see gold. Gold is at it's on a good resistance. Yeah, I know we are gonna plan a sell side trade. Let it break this resistance. Let two candle close above this. Then we'll go for a reversal trade. Okay, it's breaking. I'll go with 0.04 lot, risking $4 and aiming for $12. Draw this confirmation trend line. Yeah, I know, bro. This setup is really good. Now, uh, one candle is about to close, and you know what's the good thing here? One candle is closing here, another candle also closes green here now. Then it's a 5 minute candle opening, okay, in the next candle. So in 5 minutes, if you see the next candle which will be formed, it will have a top wick, then it will give a rejection, and if it closes below this level, we'll go for a good sell side trade. This candle should close above this level. That's our first priority. 20 pips is around here. Now 5 to 0.04 is good. No, dude, you have to go with 0.1. 0.04 is very much less. You have to go with 0.1. Okay, fine. Now see. Now what happened here is gold gave a breakout more than 20 pips. Now according to our setup, let gold come here, give a pullback, enter on the second one. Okay, we have to enter on the second entry. If it reverses, we have to go at the second entry because it has given a breakout more than 20 pips. This is our setup. This is our plan. Okay, till then, let's see Bitcoin. Uh, let's mark fresh levels. Shift to 5 minute time frame. Good resistance in Bitcoin is far. We'll just mark this resistance here. Later we'll see what we have to do here. Till then, let's focus on gold. Just have to patiently wait. 30 pips. I need a good rejection in this candle, man. Very much good rejection. Like, come close below this level, then give a pullback, then fall like this. Exactly how I captured the yesterday's trade now, where I avoided the first entry, then I took entry at the second one, and then the trade went around 150 pips. Same kind. Um, Giving a big breakout here. Fine. Now, how many pips breakout is this? Around 74 pips breakout, right? We'll wait for Bitcoin. Hello, hello. Yeah. What we'll plan in gold is let it come down here, and if it crosses this level again, we can go for a buy side trade. Gold is clearly showing that there is strength in the buying. We have to just wait for a pullback, and we have to long from here. This can be a probably a good plan. Selling here is not a good idea. I think we have to go for buying only. Let it come. We'll go for a buy side trade. Or if it retest this level again, we can again go for a buy side trade. In Bitcoin, there is a support here. But not a good swing. We need good swings in 5-minute time frame. Keep an eye on Bitcoin also. Even in Bitcoin, if it comes little bit up, break this resistance, the support level closest to candle, then we can aim for this resistance level here. So keep an eye on gold and Bitcoin both. Next resistance on gold is directly all-time high level, and I just hate trading near all-time high levels. Let's wait. I'll just put this. How many max candle price should hold to come out to a resistance? How many max candles the price should come to a resistance level in order to plan reversal? See, bro, near resistance level, it does not matter how many max candles. After a breakout, I just need two candles to close. Minimum two candles. Nothing is maximum here, okay? Minimum two candles. So that there are more sufficient time for the new buyers to enter in this market, so that there is no stop losses down, so that there can be enough liquidity for the market to go down. If there is only one candle closing, that means the buyers have not entered fully. It means that there is no enough liquidity in the market to push it down. And now there is one more catch. After breakout, if there is a consolidation here, right? After a consolidation, when it crosses this level now, avoid even the first entry here. Why? Because people will think this is a consolidation, there is a breakdown. The retailers will enter here. Market will always give a pullback, remove them. Then on the second entry, you have to enter so that you can capture the real sell side move. Whenever there is a breakout, now always avoid the first breakout, go for the second one. Keep an eye on even Bitcoin. Bitcoin seems bullish. Major resistance is here. I'll properly explain the whole strategy this weekend. It will be a little bit longer video. It will be around 25 to 30 minutes video. Each and everything I'll give a complete breakdown, how to mark levels, which time frame, when to avoid entry. Everything will be explained there clearly, so you guys can have a look on it. And whoever is new to the channel, like the stream and subscribe to the channel. We have to reach 100 subscribers before 25th. Hmm. Interesting. If you see Bitcoin, one second, I'll just with this pencil. Just see who is getting trapped here. If you just you are able to understand who is getting trapped where, you can easily predict or you can easily analyze where the market is going to go. Now in Bitcoin in 5 minute time frame, there is a head and shoulder pattern forming. Like there is a shoulder, there is a head, another shoulder should be formed. If this breaks, what does it mean? The retailers will sell here, right? If the retailers will sell here, stop losses will be above this. Obviously, the market will go up, right? And even the trend will be towards upside only. So market forms traps like this so that the retailers get trapped here. This kind. Here, there is just a head and shoulder pattern being formed so that sellers are invited. They can help their stop losses, give an upside movement. Hope you're understanding what I'm trying to tell. My psychology. This is how I look at the market. Who is getting trapped where? Most commonly, people get trapped on these breakouts and breakdowns only. So always look for a reversal with a proper setup on breakouts and breakdowns. Keep an eye on this. Comes near this level, just remind me in the chat. And there is one more possibility. If it suddenly gives a break here, comes below this level, now we can go for a buy side trade from here also, following the market structure. Bitcoin is taking rejections. Who is there in the live? You saw my strategy, right? Did you understand how actually what I'm trying to tell? What I'm or like it's everything about trap. Okay, I basically do psychological based trap trading. So hope you guys understood the strategy. I'll just give a complete breakdown soon. Am I audible? Is my voice coming clearly? Sorry if there is any background noise. I cannot help it. You can see Bitcoin is taking rejection. Proper head and shoulder is getting formed. Okay, Bitcoin is coming. We'll focus here. Always keep in mind, whenever the market is in uptrend, right, it will always trap the sellers. Okay, it will trap the sellers, then go up again, trap the sellers, go up. The same way, if you see Bitcoin, now Bitcoin has changed its nature, right? It's in uptrend now. It will trap the sellers, go up again, trap the sellers, go up. And this is how the market works. If it's in a downtrend, it will trap the buyers, go down again, trap the buyers, go down, trap the buyers, go down. Bro, if gold has to reach all-time high level, right? In middle, it has to wait to take a stop. Like for example, if you wanna go to Bangalore to, I guess, Bangalore to Delhi, okay? This is the way. This is your car. This is your next stop, okay? But you cannot go in one stretch, right? In middle, you have to stop somewhere for petrol. Okay, this is one petrol. Here is a petrol bunk. Here is a petrol bunk. So you have to stop somewhere to refuel, then continue momentum. Again, stop, refuel, continue. Again, stop, refuel, continue. The same way, gold has to go to all-time high, right? It has to stop somewhere, form a trap, refuel its liquidity, again up. Then again wait, refuel it, again up. This is how the market will go. It cannot go in one stretch. Yeah. We should look for buys only. But always not buys, because if you see the market structure, at this moment, do you think if there is a buy side setup here, will you take buy here? No, right? Because it's in a higher high, higher low, higher high. So a higher low should come. So here at this point, you should be looking for a sell side trade so that you can capture this pullback. After this pullback, you have to look for a buy side trade to capture a higher high. You have to understand the market structure. Do you guys use AI ChatGPT for your trading? It helps a lot, you know. You can actually trade, like you can, what you can do is train your ChatGPT in such a way that if you just take a screenshot, right, of this and you upload, it tells you everything, where you went wrong, where you went correct. Like, how do I use my ChatGPT is, this is my ChatGPT. Here, everything I have marked. So, for example, morning, like yesterday, do you remember that there were two levels? We were waiting for the main resistance level for the trade. But before that also there was a level from where our setup played. So I was just asking him like this was the scenario, help me please. Then he exactly told me what I have to do in very much simple way. Then I shared the chart examples. Then he just break down the chart examples also, and then perfectly he just told me what I have to do, what I have to not do. So in this way you can use the chat GPT. If you have AI, you have to use it. It helps a lot. Like for example, let me just clear this whole chart. I'll just take a screenshot of this. And you chat, and then I'll just post it here. uh, it's gold 5 tier. Tell me direction and bias. So current direction is uptrend. Market is making higher highs and higher lows. The last leg is aggressive displacement candle. Bias right now bullish. Why bullish? Strong impulsive move. No signs of market shift. It towards the downside. ICT view. Right now the price is running above the liquidity of old highs. Either a retracement into few fair value gap. Liquidity grab above the current highs for a pullback. And then your plan liquidity grab plus reversal. Avoid the first entry after the breakout. Enter on the second one. Yeah. ChatGPT can add one more confirmation for our that trade. Yes, it tells you what price runs above the current high, grabs liquidity. Then this is what you have to do. And before your entry, also, what you can do is just mark your levels. Show ChatGPT is my levels right or is my levels wrong. For example, wait, I'll just mark my support and resistance here. Okay, this is my support level, right? And this is my resistance level. Okay, I have marked my levels here. Again, I'll just take a screenshot. And ChatGPT Pro version is free, I guess now. Copy. Current market structure price just broke the structure aggressively, running into premium like toward the top side. Bias bullish overall. Short term expectation a pullback, like how I told you. It's on a higher high, we have to look for a pullback. Okay, so then trading style is alignment after breakout consolidation, avoid first entry. Take the second move. You trade liquidity grab and reversals. So now right now this move up and this is first breakout leg, avoid. Wait for price to drop back into your zone, then look for the second entry for your setup. Okay, just tell you everything. Do not chase buy now, do not short without confirmation. Wait price to return to red zone. Shallow retracement entry, green zone, deeper higher probability enter. So this tells you everything. So train your AI models like that. Like how I did is, I just went. Now I'll add. So this my trading checklist is in my Telegram, and my Telegram link is like posted on the description of this live. You can just go and you can download this thing and my lot size plan. Okay, I'll just tell him that this is my setup. Body bro, I'll go through like it tells each and everything. Time window, then how to mark the levels, bias confirmation, then entry required for the trap. Everything is figured now this model knows what I'm trading. Okay, like has the price like example, has the price already moved 20 plus pips, wait. Then yes bro, this price has moved more than 70 pips, you must wait. Did a strong candle disclose, wait for somewhere. Yes, a strong candle displacement candle, then flashy candle. So each and everything he knows now. Okay, current position not your setup. Don't buy under top, then don't sell without liquidity grab. Why? Your valid entry will come after the price retraces into your red or the green zone. You should wait for price to come down, break a support level closest to candle below it, forms a bullish reversal in 1 minute time frame, breaks a clean trend line, claims the level, then entry on the second. So see, it just told me what exactly I have to do. Now then I'll just add one more thing here. Journal Sangeet Law. Very good. Yep. This is what I have to follow. I have $23 right now. Okay, it's uploading. Okay, so we'll upload this. Meanwhile, keep an eye on Bitcoin. Okay, we are looking for a buy side trade. If it comes down here, liquidity gram, then go up. I'll also put the same thing in the chat GPT. Then we'll see what it does. Okay, Excel send a screenshot. Okay, 10 pips. It tells each and everything here. Okay. Okay, it's unable to read this. What I'll do is I'll open this. Exit subject lot. Whoever is new to this channel, do like the stream and subscribe to the channel. We have to reach 100 subscribers before 25th. Okay, so I'll just take a screenshot of this now. Copy. Paste. Done. This will tell what are the pros and cons. Then reality right now, what else we can do is it will guide you each and everything. So this is how you can use your AIs. For example, right now, what I'll do is take a screenshot of this one, Bitcoin. This is the current trade which we are planning, right? Copy this. What about this? Analyzing. Let it analyze. It's bullish, currently in the middle. Then what to expect? Two logical plays here. Scenario 1 goes up into red zone for sells. Price might break the resistance. Two candle above the zone. Bearish reversal. Then entry on trend line. Okay, scenario 2 drops back into this zone. And then two candles below this. Bullish reversal. Then A plus setup. Okay. Red zone look for sells. Green zone look for buys. Recommendation right now. It's not your entry. Nothing is clear now. If price reaches the entire zone, send me screenshot immediately. Okay, fine. I am planning for a buy setup to be formed here. Then the next thing, shift to the 5-minute time frame and showing the previous data. What's basically Bitcoin is doing in the bigger time frame. Okay, I just shared in the 1-minute time frame, right? This is the bigger data. I'm sharing this. Paste. Send. Overall, it's bullish right now. Then what we have to do? Dip below the support to candle close, bullish reversal, everything. Okay, this is how you can use your AI. This is how personally I use ChatGPT. It helps a lot. And if you have some confusions, if you have some doubts, you can just ask it. It has hell lots of data in it, so it will definitely help you. You have to be always smart enough to use things in which falls into your favor. Go buy the ChatGPT Pro version. It's totally free for 1 year. You can buy that. You can use ChatGPT Pro. It will help you a lot in your trading. People are watching us, but they are not liking the stream. They are not subscribing to the channel. That's fine. We'll wait till 2:30. If till 2:30 the setup is not formed here in Bitcoin or in like gold, I guess there is less chances for the setup to come, for the level to be formed. Bitcoin, there is a good chance we can get a good buy side trade. So we'll wait till 2:30 or 2:40. If our setup is formed, we'll go for a trade, or else we'll continue in the New York section. Or if in the middle, if I close the stream and if this setup is formed, two candle closed, trend line and all, if it reverses, you can go for a buy side here with a small stop loss of just 10 pips. So did you guys like the idea of using ChatGPT? It's a cool thing. When you have sources available, you have to use it. Yeah, train your model in such a way, your ChatGPT in such a way that it gives you exactly what you want. In gold, you would have taken a breakout trade. Bro, now I've totally shifted to 5 minute time frame, and 5 minute time frame. Yes, we could take a breakout trade, but I was expecting a downside trade by looking at the structure. I thought it may come till less. I was waiting for a liquidity grab here. And whenever a breakout is formed, you very well know that we don't enter the first, uh, like the first breakout. We always wait for a pullback, then go for a breakout, right? This was the same plan in gold, but it just continuously pushed up. I was waiting. I had drawn that. Now, when the price was here, right, it went around 40, 50, 55 pips. You try to enter a retest. Yeah, exactly. And that's what we do. When the price was here, we were expecting this thing to enter here on the second entry. Bitcoin we are planning. Buy side trade from your forms. Let's wait for some more time. Let's wait for Bitcoin to react at our level, then we'll plan the trade. For watching. Like the stream and subscribe to the channel, man. Whoever is new, join this journey.